Hi, this is John at Suspension Max. Just wanted to come to you today and tell you a little bit about this 2015 Yukon Denali. We just completed our full 2.5-inch front leveling kit and our 1.5-inch rear spacer kit for a new attitude. We are taking it for a test drive after installing our 2.5-inch front level kit and our 1.5-inch rear level kit. And we are on some snow-covered Michigan roads today, and man, this thing drives like a dream. This has our level kit installed, maintains the factory magnetic ride control, and keeps that ride quality right where you want it. It is a great riding truck, and it keeps that smooth Denali factory ride that you want. This one has the Hankook Dynapro AT tires in a 305 45 22 size, and they look awesome and they do not rub. And if you're looking to upgrade your Denali and make it look like a sharp high-class rig like they should be from the factory, this is what you need. You can make your new Denali look kick-ass today. Go to suspensionmax.com and get your kit.